All right, guys, welcome back to the Shack. And today I want to talk to you guys about a new playlist I'm going to be adding to the channel. A lot of folks keep reaching out to me wanting help with Lightburn. And since I started the channel and since I started doing YouTube, I've put out lots of videos. And in those videos are lots of little small lessons involving Lightburn. Well, I understand that you can't necessarily go back and watch days of video to try to get that one little nugget that you need for whatever project you're at or whatever wall you've hit. So I've decided to come up with a new playlist and start doing some little short lessons. I'm going to try to keep these videos as short as possible and target individual problems that people have within Lightburn. So instead of going into Lightburn and the topic being, designing a file, it's going to be more specific, such things as, getting started with your machine, how to connect to your machine, troubleshooting connection issues. Then once we get into that, speed and power testing, the way that I do speed and power testing, getting those speed and power settings, putting them in the library. I'm going to break all of that up into individual little lessons, I guess you could say. And I'm going to try to make it more of a little quick glossary of videos that if you're at your desk and you've got 10 minutes to spare waiting on a phone call or something, you can grab that one little video and watch that. So I think it will be beneficial to a lot of you guys that are new to it because even with me, Lightburn has been updated so much over the past 2 or 3 years since I've been using it that things change. So maybe there's something that you've always done it this way because you didn't know this way existed. That happens to me a lot. So, and saying that, guys, I'm no pro, okay? I am not the Lightburn guru. I'm going to show you the ways that I do it, what works for me. A lot of people say that the way I explain things is easy for you to understand. Some folks say I talk too much. It may not be the thing for you, but if it is the thing for you, I'm going to drop that playlist down. I'm going to start off with basically getting connected and getting into Lightburn and familiarizing yourself with it. And I'm going to drop lessons in there as often as I can to help build that up. It's going to take a little while. This is one of those things that I figured I would do in between projects, and when I've got a little downtime here in the shop, it's going to be a behind the camera, behind the computer type video. I'm not going to set up a bunch of cameras and set lights up and all that for it. It's going to be simple, bare bones, hopefully educational and helpful to you. So be sure to go down and find that playlist and subscribe and follow that playlist to get notifications, at least on that one. Even if you don't want to see the rest of the stuff, at least on that one, because that's where I'm going to start dropping those things and putting them in that playlist specifically. So there you go. Go check it out. And until next time, guys, be safe and have a good day.